Look, here come the friendly construction trucks rolling through the city. It's the big orange cement mixer and the strong yellow bulldozer driving side by side. What a beautiful day for a drive. Oh, wait, what's this? A big pothole right in the middle of the road. We can't have that. It's time for our truck friends to get to work. First, the mighty bulldozer pushes all the loose bits and pieces out of the way, clearing the area. Good job. Now, the cement mixer gets ready, spinning its big drum round and round. It's time to pour the fresh cement into the hole, filling it all the way up. The bulldozer then carefully smooths the top, making it perfectly flat and even. Wow, look at that. The road is all fixed, smooth and safe again. Our amazing construction team did it. With the job done, they drive off together, ready for their next adventure. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.